If you're over 50 and you're worried your pension isn't going to give you the retirement you've worked so hard for, don't panic, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 realistic ways ordinary people our age are building online income from home. And no, you don't need to be a computer expert. You don't need thousands of followers, and you certainly don't need to be 25 years old. I'm Trevor, and here at Freedom by Design, I help people over 50 build online businesses that create more freedom, more choices, and a more comfortable retirement. Before we get started, if you'd like to see the exact business model I recommend to beginners, make sure you watch my business partner's on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass. It's completely free, and you'll find the link in the description below. Now make sure you stay until the end, because the number one idea isn't actually an income stream at all. It's the best secret that ties all 5 together, and it's the reason some people succeed while others stay stuck. Let's get into it. Before we look at the 5 ideas, let's clear something up. The biggest thing stopping most people over 50 isn't technology, it isn't money, it isn't even experience. It's what they're telling themselves. I'm too old. I'm hopeless with computers. I've left it too late. I wouldn't know where to begin. Yes, if you've ever said any of those things, like myself, you're not alone. But here's the truth. Your age isn't your biggest disadvantage. It's one of your greatest assets. You've spent decades solving problems, learning skills, raising families, working in careers, and gaining life experience. That's valuable, far more valuable than you probably realize. So let's look at the first idea, number 5. Sell what you already know. Now, before you say, I don't know anything worth selling, let me stop you there. Can you budget? Can you cook, garden, fish, play golf, restore furniture, use Excel, manage people, organize events? Every one of those skills solves a problem for someone else. Where there is a problem, there's an opportunity, which brings me to number 4. Turn that knowledge into a digital product. Now, don't panic. I'm not talking about writing the next best-selling novel. It could be a simple checklist, a planner, a printable workbook, a short guide, or even a collection of tips you've learned over the years. You create it once and you can sell it again and again. No stock, no packaging, no trips to the post office. Now you might be wondering, that's all very well, Trevor, but how do people actually find me? Great question. And that's where number 3 comes in, YouTube. And before your blood pressure goes up, no, you don't have to go viral. And thankfully, nobody wants to see me attempting TikTok-style dances either. People come to YouTube looking for answers. If your video is solving a problem, YouTube keeps working for you long after you've switched the computer off. One video today could still be bringing people to your business months or even years from now. And that's one of the reasons I love it so much. If this is starting to make sense and you'd like to see how all the pieces fit together, don't forget to watch the free on-demand marketing masterclass, which is below in the description. You'll be shown exactly how beginners can build this type of business step by step. Now let's add another income stream. Number 2, affiliate marketing. This is simply recommending products or services you genuinely believe in. When someone buys through your recommendation, you receive a commission. Simple as that. If you've already created helpful videos or digital products, affiliate marketing fits naturally alongside them. You're helping people and getting paid for introducing them to the right solution. Now, for the most important one, number 1, don't build 5 separate businesses. Build one business with 5 income streams. This is where most people get it wrong. They chase one opportunity this week, another one next week, and something completely different the following week. Instead, build one simple online business. Use YouTube to attract people, collect email subscribers, recommend useful affiliate products, sell your own digital products, maybe even create a membership community later on. Everything works together. Each income stream supports the others. And that's how passive income is really created. Not by chasing shiny objects, but by building a simple system that keeps working for you. And here's the really good news. You don't need to learn everything this week. You just need to start. Remember, retirement shouldn't be the end of earning. It should be the beginning of freedom. Your pension doesn't have to be your only source of income. With the right guidance, a little consistency, and a willingness to learn, you can create something that gives you more choices for years to come. If you're ready to take that first step, watch the free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass. My friend Mark will walk you through exactly how this business model works, and you can decide whether it's right for you. You'll find the link in the description below. Now that you've seen 5 realistic ways people over 50 are creating income from home, the next thing you'll want to learn is exactly how to build an online business from scratch. Click on the video on your screen now, how to start an online business in your 50s and 60s, and I'll see you there.